all about Merchant Navy.
Today we have Cadet Akshay with us for exclusive interview. He's from Kerala and he's a senior cadet. He's about to complete his sea time training, and we'll be having an exclusive, interesting and informative interview with him. So let's start.
Here I am with my second officer, Abhishek Giri. He is also having a YouTube channel, Sailor Abhishek Giri.
In this video, we will discuss his cadetship journey, his sea time, and how many ships he has done, and what was his experiences on board. Pre-joining details are already there in his videos, so we will not discuss about that. We will discuss about his journey when he joined the first ship. So let's start with this. So how was your experience when you was joining first ship, first time when you was on airport? How was it?
So actually I joined after 2 months from my academy.
Year, which year?
2018. 17 July from the EMA.
Okay.
And in September 17 I was on board.
Oh, lucky guy.
In 2 months only I could join the ship.
After getting CDC, how much time it took to get you on board?
2 to 3 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks. Okay, that's really good.
I had one first flight from Cochin to Mumbai, and the international flight was on the next day.
Okay.
So I had to take one hotel and stay there in Mumbai. And I was joining with my chief officer.
Okay.
So I had contact with him in the WhatsApp.
Okay.
When I reached airport, I met him. So he asked whether it was your first trip here. I said yes. So okay, let's see then what happens. He was a very cool guy from Mumbai only. My joining was from Thailand.
Thailand, oh.
Yeah.
Which port?
Maptaput.
Oh.
Maptaput. So I had connection flight one from Mumbai to Sri Lanka and Sri Lanka to Thailand.
Which type of ship was
It was a Capesizer, bulk carrier,
okay.
which carry iron ore and coal.
Oh.
So they were there in Thailand for discharging the coal,
Okay.
which they carried from Newcastle, Australia.
Okay.
Usually their trip is mainly cross equator from Australia to China.
So to China.
If they have cargo change, means if they were carrying coal, then they will come to Thailand.
Okay. And then after that, from Thailand you went to Australia?
Yeah, we went back to Australia.
Okay. So first ship was Capesizer, bulk carrier. Second ship,
Second ship was a container ship.
container.
I joined from Liverpool. I got the opportunity
Liverpool.
to join from Liverpool, UK.
Okay. And Liverpool you got to hotel stay?
No.
Okay, you directly go.
We directly
go on board. Oh, good. So how big was that container ship?
The container was 245 meters.
245.
long.
Yeah, pretty
Carried
big.
about 2,400 containers.
Oh. And this is your third ship, right?
This is my third ship.
And you joined from Kingston.
Kingston, Jamaica.
And there you enjoyed a lot, I know. You got 6-day hotel stay.
6 day hotel stay.
Oh my God, 6 days
6 day hotel
stay.
stay. Kind of like resort. We had pool and all.
So you know about bulk, container and tankers, all three ships, all three types of ships. So which type of ship you like most?
That's a tough question because all of them have different. The way of operation is different.
No. Which one? One. Take one name. Which ship you like to go as a third mate? Which type
Actually,
of
I'm comfortable with any of the three.
How many countries approx you have visited till now in 3 ships?
3 ships.
Yeah. Have you counted?
Not counted, but yeah, I can roughly say around 20.
20 countries. Okay. So which country you like most?
I'll prefer Canada.
Canada. Oh. And which city?
It was Montreal.
Montreal. Oh.
It was
cool.
very cold, but
Yeah.
very nice. Because
On bulk carrier you went there?
no,
or
in container.
Container.
Because that was our longest port stay for 3 days.
Okay. So Canada you like most.
Canada.
And which city you like most? Montreal?
Montreal is fine.
Okay, Montreal.
Old Montreal and all is very beautiful.
Okay. And for shopping, which place you like the most?
I go for Canada only.
Canada. So you must having so many memories. So tell me one beautiful moment of your cadetship.
You can say that New Year party we had in the
Your party on container?
yeah, the bulk
carrier. Okay. Where? At sea?
At sea.
At sea. Tell me any one officer name which is like your friend and which you like most.
My first chief officer.
First you also. Okay.
His name is Kushru. He's from Mumbai.
Okay.
So he's my friend, like brother.
Okay. And you're in crew?
In crew, I'll go for Sebastian Gavaskar, bosun.
Bosun.
Yeah, in my second ship.
Okay.
He was also very cool guy. Very cool guy.
Okay.
He's from Chennai.
Okay. What are the duties of cadet? So can you tell me in just one line, two lines, what are your duties?
Morning 4 o'clock with Chief Officer, and then by 7 o'clock we'll go on deck for the soundings of the tanks, ballast tanks, and
Okay.
if it's in the container and bulkhead, it's the holds, bridges, we'll take soundings. Then after that, after having the breakfast, we go for the on deck for some maintenance if there is any,
Okay.
stenciling and all, and rest all duties will depends on the chief officer what his plans for that day. And
Okay. 12 to 1600 you can say is your rest time,
Rest
and
time,
then
yeah.
16 to 20 is your again watch
Oh,
time.
again watch.
And after watch you are doing your assignments
projects.
and you're learning from your second officer and third officers
officer.
also. So
Yeah, like the second officer, very helpful. He used to teach me the rules and all because I was having some trouble with the rules. I had a barrier with the rules, so he helped me.
actually I love teaching and I'm refreshing my rules also.
I forgot because if there is some maintenance, means then of course my next rank is as third officer, so I should know about the LSA FFA. So if I have some maintenance like that with LSA FFA, then
You go
I'll
with-
go after 1, 2, 3 with third officer. Then he will send me early in the morning.
Okay.
For officer.
Nowadays, as I'm seeing, cadets are also equally getting respect and rest, everything like officers.
Yeah, of course. In this trip, I have seen from the crew also, and from the officers also, even from the master.
Yeah.
He gives the respect.
Things are changing, yes. So people ask me about seasickness also. So Akshay, you tell me about seasickness. Have you ever experienced seasickness?
Yeah, the thing is that in first ship, I told you it was like a floating island, 300 meter long, 50 meter broad ship. The rolling and all is very less. Only in the first ship only I experienced. Now here I am very comfortable. Even
You
it's
had
smaller.
vomiting also?
In the first ship I had it in.
First ship, okay. After that, now you use.
No problem. No.
About seasickness, I must say it depends on person to person, and time to time we used to get habitual and we used to get used to it. What you will do during seasickness?
Seasickness, my chief officer said that we should take the fresh air. That will be the best thing.
Yeah.
So he used to keep me on the bridge wings and let the fresh air comes on my face, and it'll be alright.
And also eat more, drink more, right? You have been to sub-zero temperature areas, right?
Minus 3.5.
-3.5. Okay, and maximum
45
45.
in Western Australia.
Okay, so whenever you feel uncomfortable, you used to come inside the.
Yeah, they are pretty good about. If you are feeling uncomfortable, you can directly come inside and have a
So,
wash and all.
so no hard and fast rule that
No.
you have to work
Full
in
time on
50-degree temperature continuously. No.
No,
If
nothing
you're,
like that.
if you're not feeling comfortable, you can come in.
Come.
And you also keep the water bottle. I've been to Gulf countries, na, they're 55 temperature in on deck. But it is okay. We used to take a lot of precaution. We used to cover full body, right? And sub-zero also, I've been to -10 also. Sub-zero is, I think, more
Yeah,
more worse.
nowadays they are providing the
Winter gears.
Yeah, winter gears,
Alright.
the personal protective equipment. So with that, it's okay, manageable.
You're from Kerala and you speak a good Hindi. You have learned Hindi after joining Merchant Navy, is it correct?
Yeah, we can say that. Yeah, because but I used to love languages, so I love Hindi also. But with that only, you can't say that you can speak that fluently. But
after joining Merchant
yeah,
Navy,
Merchant Navy it became a little more easier. So we used to speak with the crew and all in Hindi only, if it's in the second ship. But in the first ship, I had Filipino crew.
Filipino.
So there it's English. Only the officers were Indian.
Which nationality you like most?
Of course, Indian.
Indian. Other than Indian?
Then we'll go for the Sri Lankans.
Sri Lankan.
I have been with Sri Lankan, Scottish, and Filipinos.
Okay, 3 only. How you keep yourself fit on board ship?
In cabin only a little bit workout,
Cabin.
little grounds and all.
How will you tackle stress and frustration on board?
Actually nowadays they are keeping us cool, not that frustration. Even if it's little only, then we'll go for some songs.
Do you have any dream you will fulfill when you become officer?
I wish to buy an Audi.
Or do you? What all things you get on board in your bond?
When you're born.
So what all things you have on board on bond?
Chocolates, all this
Chips,
snacks,
yeah.
crisps, Lay's, sprinkles and all.
Cigarettes,
Cigarettes.
but you don't smoke.
I don't smoke. And then in last 2 ships we had alcohol.
We have a bond, like a little shop where we can buy
Buy.
deduct from your
Wages.
Okay. Which chocolate you like most?
Oh, Toblerone.
Toblerone. Your favorite movie?
Favorite movie?
Oh, no
It's
problem.
Malayalam movie only. So my favorite is CID Musa. That's
Okay.
the name of the movie.
Okay. And your favorite actor?
Mohanlal, Lalasan.
Okay. Most awkward question you faced?
They are saying no work and full salary. Everyone is thinking that we are just
We are
sitting
just enjoying it.
the sea and we are getting. Actually, this work, for the work only we are getting paid.
Okay. Your favorite captain name?
Favorite captain? Sanjay Verma.
Okay. Favorite second officer?
Abhishek Giri.
Muska. Favorite chief engineer?
Chief engineer. Chief engineer Surya Kumar.
Okay. Okay. Your favorite dish?
So of course dosha and sambar.
Oh, dosa sambar. Good.
But I also like biryani. Yes.
Okay. But I never had dosa. Never used to have dosa on board because it is usually made in breakfast.
You won't get the opportunity.
Okay. One thing you like most about Merchant Navy?
Salary.
No. Other than salary.
The salary to travel. We will get to see some places.
Okay. What is the worst thing about Merchant Navy?
First thing, of course, family detachment.
Family. Yeah, social life, family
Social
life,
life.
and and okay, so Akshay, tell me how you're managing your family and social life on board.
So here they are providing good internet, about 2 GB for 1 month.
Okay.
But it's pretty good, so we can call home every day. I'm contacting every day.
And along with that, you are getting local SIM cards.
Yeah, local SIM cards at
when you're reaching at ports.
And like this Anchorage also.
That's all. Only internet source we have.
We have.
Tell me some memories about your first sign-off.
First sign off. First
Tell me how many months you have done in first
It was about 6 months and 10 days.
10 days. Okay.
6 months and 10 days. So just sign off was from Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
Joining also from
So
Thailand.
sign off from
Wow.
Thailand.
And you had hotel stay during sign off?
No. We had flight in the evening only. Signed off with master and chief engineer.
No issue. After
Yeah.
sign off, everybody is
Everybody is cool. They were very cool. So. And actually, I was traveling to Dubai. I had to spend vacation with my family.
What are your hobbies?
Hobbies. I prefer gardening.
Yeah, okay, gardening, great. And on board?
Movies.
Movies, that's all we have. Okay. So, I want to know some tips from you for the upcoming cadets. You want to give from your experience, you want to give some 2-3 points.
Becoming an officer, so you have to be like officer. You can learn from the seniors. They will also teach you how to manage, how to cope up with the things, and how to manage your timings on board. Because it will be tough in the initial days for me also. It was like the seasickness. Actually, I had a big ship, but still I was also feeling seasick. But they also supported me at that time.
You have to be a very good learner.
Yeah.
First thing, learner. You have to learn from everywhere, from every person on board. And second thing, officer-like quality. You have to develop. You have to groom yourself every day, and you have to get officer-like quality. That is most important.
Important thing.
And in officer-like quality, discipline, everything comes. And you have to learn from everyone. That means you have to learn from chief cook also, bosun, crew, engineer, everywhere, because at last you are going to be a captain. Okay.
And when you are coming on board, you are the most junior.
Yeah. You are the most junior. you'll be pampered by all the crew members. Because you're the. I was also the most junior most when I joined. How many months you stay at home?
After first trip, about 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
So 3 is sufficient for you, right?
Yeah, 3 years.
Okay.
Because we had to complete this 18 months of CTAM as soon as possible.
Okay. Yeah, 6 on 3 off is good. But after becoming an officer, you will get a 6 months
6
contract,
months.
and then after that 4 months. Which job you like most?
Watch, of course, watch.
Watch. Navigation watch
Navigation
during
watch.
pilotage and all.
Pilot.
Thank you so much, Akshay,
Thank you.
for this beautiful interview. If you have any questions for him, you can put it in the comments. We'll have another session, part 2. We'll continue asking those questions. So please comment, and whatever doubts, questions you have, we will take it in the next video. If you please like this video, share, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel. Whether you're watching it in my channel or his channel.
This will be on both channels.
Next interview will be mine.
Yeah, I'll be taking his interview. So if you want, you can put the questions.
You can put the questions for me, right?
also
Yes.
right now. As a second officer, so you can ask whatever doubts regarding his exams and after exams, how about his promotion and all. So you can put that in the comment box. So we'll discuss about that.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks.